know in the traditional African society that this is a good wife. She must be hardworking. She also should be fertile in order to bring forth children. Morally upright. She should be kind. Very obedient, especially to the husband. She should also be humble, faithful, beautiful, polite, generous, warm-hearted, welcoming to guests, and clean. Have you ever found any wife who is not welcoming to guests? Why are you saying yes? Where? Most of the wives are very welcoming. Yes. What about the qualities of a good husband? Number one, a good husband should be what? Should provide a good leadership. What? Should be what? Should be a Christian. Aggressive, yes, very good. Should be very aggressive in order to bring food in the table. I told you you are the head. The women are the what? You should be very aggressive. Should provide good leadership, because as the man of the family, you are the one who's giving direction to the what? To the family. You should also be courageous. You hear something outside and you are the one who's entering under the what? The bed. Instead of your wife. Now there you are not brave. Yes? Or someone comes to scold your wife and you don't stand there. You just tell your wife, just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. You should be, is that being brave or courageous? The husband should also be very wise, should be responsible, and a good manager. Should be a very good manager of property if you have any property or land, or a good manager of the finances that you have. If your husband is not a good manager,